Imagine kayaking peacefully. Then suddenly, you're inside a whale's mouth. Sounds like Pinocchio, right? But for 24-year-old Adrian Simancas, it was real. While kayaking with his dad in Chile's Strait of Magellan, a humpback whale surfaced and swallowed him only to spit him out seconds later, unharmed. His father caught it all on camera. Experts say the whale was just curious, not aggressive. From a real-life Jonas to hope for an endangered species. The ocean is truly amazing. Like, subscribe, and tell us, would you go kayaking after this?